You see, you cannot. What are you saying?
Yeah.
Is it out of place for somebody to say, "Hey, be crying on our toy," and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
The things we do you know what we get from it? We may not be paid by our political parties, but you know the social capital and the goodwill what we do gives us. And so it is even wrong to see that Obi watch and Obi's. First of all, the things they are quoting, the prices they are quoting are all false. What's the point of it?
So you get back in your $2,000.
They are all false.
Okay.
Now, me kita baga, me no ni medjuma wa you film. And on what basis? Because he's married to Sammy Gyamfi, you think on no doing to me kita baga na? I mean, they're rubbish. Or do we see can akotoba? Oh, abayi tuyaneka. So it is none of anybody's business.
Okay.
Whatever bag my wife, like I told you, this is a video from one of my previous trips with my wife, private, and I don't share my private life on social media. This was, it didn't come from me. It was a mistake, a mistaken post, which was immediately deleted after, because it was not intended to be put out there for those who care to know. And somebody has gone to pick it like it is something current. I'm a tipo, Jimmy for 2 weeks at a luxurious hotel, shopping and all that. There is no truth in it. I'm only responding to this because of the many sympathizers, those who love us and support the work we do, who are worried. They are the only reasons why I would say that.